guys, here is Samson again from Think Mobiles, and in today's video I want to share with you about how you can optimize your Windows PC. Maybe you're running a Windows 10 or Windows 11. For this tutorial I'm going to be using my Windows 11, but don't worry about it because it is the same thing. So the first thing you need to do first of all is to make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version and also your device drivers. So how do you do that? You can just go to the menu, or for you on Windows 10 you'll see the search is going to be somewhere around here, so you just click it and type Windows Update and press enter. So right now it's saying that everything is up to date. So for you, you're going to see something like this on your PC. So if there's anything, all you need to do is to check for update, and when it finds that there's an update that is available for maybe a driver or even your Windows, you just click to install, and that is all. Another way you can make sure that you have your Windows and your drivers up to date is to use a third-party software, and I can recommend you using Driver Booster. Driver Booster, if you don't know about it, I made a video review of Driver Booster. It is a very good software and I recommend it for you to use to update your drivers, and you can find a link in the description box below, or I'm going to put it up here. So let's go to the next thing you need to do. The next free tip to actually get your PC a little bit optimized and run a little bit faster is for you to make sure to restart your PC from time to time, and also close programs that you're not using. Main application, opening too many tabs on a browser can also slow your PC. So what you need to do is to make sure you close those programs or applications that you are not currently using and restart your PC. That is going to help to save a lot of memory for the PC to run on. So the next free tip that you can do to get a little bit of speed out of your PC is for you to use the disk cleanup that comes with your PC. I think it's also on the Windows 10, but all you need to do is come to the search menu and type disk cleanup and press enter. That's going to show you all the files that you can delete to restore some disk space. For example, it shows downloaded program files 0 byte. That is because I've already cleaned it up earlier. So you just check and see, and then you click on OK or clean up system files. And after that is done, just click on OK and also click delete files. And then it's going to take some time to do the cleanup for you. All you just have to do is wait, and after that it's also recommended to restart your PC. So the next free tip for you to optimize your Windows PC is for you to close up every startup program. And what it means is that every time you put on your system, there are some applications that have been programmed to start up every time you turn on your PC. So what you need to do is for you to disable this application so that whenever you turn on your PC, everything is going to be a lot faster and smoother. So for you to do that, just come on the search menu again and type Task Manager. So the Task Manager is going to open. Sometimes it's going to be like this, minimize, but all you need to do is to click this more details to get the full version, and then you go to startups. So right here is going to display all the programs that starts up along with your PC and the status. Right now all those programs are enabled to start up with your PC, and on the right you're going to see the impact it has on your PC. And so most of them is going to put like really high impact, and right now it's not measured. So what I need to do is to come to this place, click on the program and click disable. So you can do that with the rest of the application to help your PC to run a little bit faster. And the next thing I usually do is to do a periodic system, or I can call it a factory reset of my PC. That really helps a lot. All you need to do for that is to make sure you save all the files and the programs that you normally use, and then you wipe your system and make it look like new. So that is easy to do, and it can help to maintain your PC for a little longer. And now the other way that you can optimize your PC, like I said, is by using a third-party software. Right now I'm going to be using Advanced System Care like I mentioned, and so all I need to do is to open it, and Advanced System Care is going to help us to do everything that I just mentioned and even more. So as soon as you open Advanced System Care, you'll see a lot of options. First, the main thing that you're going to see right off the bat is this big scan button. So when you click on the scan, Advanced System Care right now I'm using the Pro version. It's also the same for the trial version. It is going to scan your PC, and on your left you're going to see that it is searching for different types of files that usually slow down your PC. For example, privacy traces, it found 1,526. Junk files, I didn't talk about junk files. Junk files are actually files that are not being used by the system, but they're just occupying space. So Advanced System Care is helping us to free those space by getting rid of those junk files. Invalid shortcuts, registry entries, system optimizations, internet improvements, registry fragments. So Advanced System Care is doing a lot of work for us. So I think it is, should I say, the best way to actually optimize your system PC. And of course, there are a lot of third-party software just like Advanced System Care out there in the market, but for me personally, I would recommend Advanced System Care. So you can see it's just scanning and everything seems to be really snappy, and it's checking all the different categories to make sure it targets everything that it can actually use to help for your PC to get a little bit faster. Outdated software. So I think Advanced System Care also work with the other iOrbit software called Driver Booster. So Driver Booster also is from iOrbit, and so when Advanced System Care help us to check for outdated software, is going to recommend us using Driver Booster, which is the other application from iOrbit. So you can see everything is still scanning. We're just going to wait for Advanced System Care to finish the scanning, and then we'll see the next thing that we need to do. Okay, the scan is complete, and right now we have our result. It says fix 2,576 items to get a cleaner and faster PC. Wow, and underneath you can see it splitted everything into 3 categories. 907.6 megabyte, which is 2,340 files, can be cleaned to free up this amount of space for your PC to run faster, which is really good and really easy to do using this software. 231 items can be optimized to improve your PC performance, and 5 security items can be fixed to secure your PC. And all I need to do is to click on the fix button, and it is going to help us to do everything without us doing any other thing. So as you can see, Advanced System Care is making sure the privacy traces, junk files has been removed, and it's still working on the rest. And so on the left, you're just going to see the updates of what Advanced System Care is doing. So right now, it says your PC is feeling fresh again, and everything is going to feel a lot snappier than before. So that is it, guys. These are the ways that you can speed up your PC and allow it to run a little bit faster and smoother. Also, if you come to check Advanced System Care, you see some other options that you can use. And so if you click on the speed up option, you see there are some other options like Turbo Boost. I think this is for people who actually play games, so it's kind of going to help you to boost gaming performance. And the way it does that is probably by doing the basic thing that I mentioned at the beginning, closing every application that you're not using, freeing space on your disk and all that. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you really think it was helpful, I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. It's going to help the YouTube algorithm to allow other people to find this video as well. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so by clicking on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload other videos just like this. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.